Director of Social Welfare Department, N.G. Uttam, says an app to assist people who cannot speak will be launched soon. The app will help in communication between people with speaking inability and others. Director N.G. Uttam was speaking while attending the 3-day-long offline workshop on preparation of TLM and classroom management for Divyajan at Seminar Hall of Sai Takil. The workshop is organized under the aegis of Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilities and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities and Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyajan, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Speaking further in the program, Director N.G. Uttam stressed on the importance of developing study materials which can be used for years. Assistant Director of NERC Sai Imphal, Shivan Yadav, Chief Coordinator of RCI NEZC, Laishram Tokendro Ariki, and Director of CRCSER and Khoibi were among the eminent persons who attended the program today.
Prayer Makadamane, Zamayana Tobi, service, Nunti, Shulkurum Bagumane, Adugumba special needs announced into Matim Pampiba, Moini, the Matatungi, and Panapona Viva, I say. Monday, the church, the Chatagalai, Indus, Yara, Portamane, Yamas and Cherona, Moitungi, and Panava, and Kata Tavato today. Navina Kalaga, Tavato Menasi, the teacher himself or Hassan, is one of the most powerful teaching learning material. Was that Tralay, Lekatabo, tapping the one. My textbook to buy a chapter to the Kamaga, Madubram Baraga, Artha Duama Tokiba. Adu teaching nothing. Was that vessel expression journey, body movement journey, Makut Maranjana, Makam Jana seasonal journey. Was that a learning Lepoyada, Adum Tambadavani, Kaminadisi.